By seva, I become close, I become lovable. Therefore I use the word also, initially we need physical proximity. By seva, I make myself dear. Somebody entertains my desire. Somebody I persuade silently that please think about me. I should be. Your desire about me should be more. Your desire to lift me, your desire to take me to the God, your desire to purify me. So as if now two people are working. One is God, other is me. God is working for me. Somebody should have desire that you should not be unhappy. By seva, I induce the desire in the teacher to give me his vast knowledge, his vast love, his vast experience. What especially I get which others don't get is by seva. Seva is the physical expression of that mental readiness that now I will give it up. Now I can be awake for you. Now I can sleep for you. Now I can stop eating for you. Now I can start eating for you. Now I can talk for you. Now I can stop talking for you. For you, for you, for you. When this word is echoed in the heart of the teacher, these two words are echoes that this boy, this person, this disciple, his chanting mantra is for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. Then from his heart also this thought comes, okay, I am also for you, knowledge for you, love for you. So one who sacrifices his joys, one who sacrifices his notions, one who sacrifices his emotions, his only thought is how I can please. What in me is displeasing the teacher? What notion of mine is displeasing the teacher? What notion of mine is not making him happy? What emotion of mine is displeasing? What thought of mine is displeasing? What body language of mine is displeasing? What face is displeasing? What words are displeasing? What waking up is displeasing? What sleeping is displeasing? What talking is displeasing? What eating is displeasing? I am constantly in the scanning mood. What can displease? I want to take the weed out of my mind. I want to take that personality out of mind. When you have this desire and you express at a physical level for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, ultimately how the heart can't melt? It will melt. It will melt. And then, देखो, this Guru Bhakt is 1 in crores. 1 in crores. Crores means 10 million. In 1 crore, और मैं बोले 10 million, okay, चलो भाई, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, it is difficult to get that Guru Bhakti is there. So, but those who get that, those who live like Lakshman ji, as Lakshman ji was living in front of Ram ji, seeker disciple should live like that in front of the teacher, where obedience is very high level, the seva is a very high level, sacrifice is very high level, constantly fulfilling the desire. Such a person rises a lot because he gets the opportunity to allow the God to love him. So serving involves listening. If you don't listen to somebody, if you don't understand what he didn't like in me, what actions he didn't like, then how will we serve? Marji thodi na seva hoti. Always remember, serving is not by what I want. The very essence of serving is what he wants. I want, this is the ego, is expression of ego is what I want. Difficult. Seva is not a physical act. In the your physical act merging with the Guru's mental desires, which are supported by the scriptures, scriptural supported mental desire. Guru is the manifestation of the scriptural. Scripture talking is the Guru. Guru is not a separate personality. He is not one person. The amalgamation of my idea, my ideal, scriptural ideal and God's wish. The confluence of three is Guru only. Amalgamation of my model or my ideal, the scriptural statement and the God's manifestation of love for me. Three things are called Guru. So if he says something, then I will try to make my living so that I can serve you. This is the beauty of the disciples' seva. Ye thodi na ki what I wish I will do, what I will not wish I won't do. My wish has no meaning, howsoever good your wish may be. That your wish should be teacher's wish. Not that what you want, you do it. As many things you can remove from the personality which God does not like, to that extent your Guru Bhakti, your Guru Seva will blossom and prosper in your life.